Here's your guide to how to sell your home fast in Northwest Indiana. Hi, I'm Furdo, a local real estate agent here in Northwest Indiana. In today's market, the homes that sell fast and for top dollar follow a very intentional strategy. And the ones that don't sit on the market, reduce the price, and leave money behind. So today, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to sell your home fast in Northwest Indiana in 2026, step by step. And stay with me until the end because I'll share the #1 mistake sellers make that delays their sale almost every time. Before we talk strategy, we need clarity on today's local real estate market. Northwest Indiana continues to attract buyers relocating from Illinois because of low property taxes, strong communities, Chicago community access, and beautiful towns like Crown Point, St. John, Cherville, Cedar Lake, Lowell, and Valparaiso. But the market has shifted. We're no longer in the extreme bidding wars of 2021 and 22. Today's buyers are more price aware, more focused on condition, and taking a little more time before making offers, which means expert pricing, preparation, and marketing matter. So step 1, strategic pricing from day 1. The first 7 to 10 days on the market create the strongest momentum. Correct pricing based on recent local comps, active competition, buyer demands in your neighborhood, and your home's condition is the difference between multiple strong offers or sitting and reducing. Overpricing does not create negotiating room. It actually pushes qualified buyers away. Let's talk updates. You don't need a full renovation to increase your home's value. Often the highest impact improvements are simple. Fresh neutral paint, refreshed flooring, updated lighting, curb appeal, and a deep professional cleaning. And one of the most powerful resources I offer to my sellers is Revitalize. This is a pay-at-closing home improvement program where trusted professionals complete the updates now. No upfront cost to you, no need to hire the multiple contractors yourself. That means less stress, faster preparation, stronger presentation, and often a higher final sales price. Now we're going to talk about modern marketing. In today's digital world, putting a home on the MLS alone is just not enough. To truly sell fast in Northwest Indiana, your home needs advanced data-driven marketing, which includes professional photography, cinematic video, social media exposure, email marketing to active buyers, and search optimization visibility. So your home can appear in Google searches, YouTube searches, and even AI-powered home searches. Because today's buyers don't just check Zillow. They search things like best homes in Crown Point, Indiana, Northwest Indiana homes for sale, should I sell my home in 2026? And powerful marketing helps ensure your home is seen first. Now we're going to talk about proactive preparation that creates the best outcome. The strongest home sales don't happen by accident. They happen through intentional preparation. Being proactive instead of rushed allows you to complete the right updates, price strategically, launch with confidence, and truly put your best foot forward in this market. Sellers who prepare ahead of time almost always experience faster sales, stronger offers, smoother inspections, and fewer regrets about wishing they had done more beforehand. Preparation isn't extra work. It's what creates the best possible result. Timing. Many homeowners ask me, is now the right time to sell in Northwest Indiana? Well, that answer depends on your personal goals, local housing inventory, interest rates, and seasonal buyer demand. While spring and early summer are traditionally strong, a well-prepared and well-marketed home can sell successfully in any season. And now, the #1 mistake sellers make, waiting too long to start the preparation process. When a seller plans 30 to 60 days ahead, they gain better presentation, better pricing strategy, and better negotiating power. And that preparation often means more money and less stress at closing. So what can you do next? Even if you're thinking about selling in the next 6 to 12 months, the smartest first step is to get a true local home value, not just an online estimate. Automated values can't see your upgrades, your condition, your exact street, or real-time buyer demand, but a local expert can. And one of the most helpful things we can do is schedule a quick visit so I can walk through your home with you, make simple, strategic suggestions for small updates that could increase your value, and give you the time to plan and prepare properly instead of feeling rushed later. Because the sellers who prepare ahead of time almost always sell faster and for more money. And if you'd like to know what your home could realistically sell for in today's Northwest Indiana market, I would truly love to help. You can click the link below for a free home evaluation estimate and reach out to schedule a quick, no pressure consultation. I'm Holly Brumm Furdo, your local real estate expert, and it would be an honor to guide you to your next move. If this video helped you, be sure to like this video, comment your city below, and subscribe for weekly Northwest Indiana real estate tips, home values, and market updates. I'll see you in the next video.